Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I will be showing you how you can make your very own silicone molds, and those are going to be the holographic silicone molds. So I will link the video above here so you can see that where did I bought these. These are called diffraction grating sheets, or you can say diffraction sheets. There are a lot of name for these Symphony sheets, so I will link the company and from where I got. So today I will be cutting these. So it is a form of a sticker. It do stick to the windows, and when the sunlight hits you get a very beautiful rainbow in your room. But we can use this for making a lot of stuff. So what I'm doing here is I am going to customize this. I will be cutting this according to the size of this trinket dish. It is going to be an inlay, and but you can make in whatever design you want, whatever coaster you want. So it's really up to you. So I have marked it. Now I'm going to cut it. And here I got the required size. So as I told you that it is going to be a center inlay, so I will be taking the measurement for the center, and then I will be cutting according to the size for the center. So it is before taking the center, I am going to mark the outer edge of this mold with the black paint. So in this way I will get the so all done now. And now I'm going to stick this into the center of the trinket dish, because I'm going to mold in this way. So as I told you that it is a sticker, so I will be removing the backing and then I will stick this into the center. Here we go. Now the thing is that you need to be very carefully putting this onto this trinket dish, because we don't want any air bubbles or any roughness. So here I will be taking the silicone that I am using for Teexpert, and I'm going to mix these. So it is 1 to 1 low viscosity silicone. You get a very nice bubble free silicone. I'm going to add this metallic powder into the silicone, and I'm going to color it, and instead of just a simple white transparent, I'm going to color it into a black grayish sort of you can say tone. Now after mixing my silicone, I'm going to pour this into the trinket dish now. So I'm just making a little bit of swirls onto this silicone, and I will leave this to cure, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. Now I'm going to remove it. So it is going to be a bit exciting, as I need to see that if we got the holographic or not. Let's see how this turned out. So I can see that the holographic has transferred itself onto the inlay, and you can see it looks so beautiful. Now it's time to do it. So this is the dish. Now you can make as many inlays as you want. So it is a basically quite standard size, so you can make a lot of inlays for this trinket dish. I'm going to put the inlay, the holographic side facing up. Now I'm going to pour. So I have mixed my resin, and I'm going to use Teexpert fast curing resin that cures in 4 hours. So now I'm going to just a little bit simpler because it has an holographic on it. So it is clear resin that I'm pouring. And on the side, I am pouring this black resin just to create a little bit of effect. That's it. Then again, I am pouring some clear resin into the center of this dish. After pouring, I will leave this to cure, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. As you can see that the resin has spread itself. Now I'm going to see how this turns out. It is again very exciting time because holographic on its own is such a lovely thing to work with. So it is out of the mold. A little bit of overspill, just a little bit. It is not going to matter. So now I'm going to remove this inlay, and we will see how this turns out. So I was just trying to find the corner, and now I'm going to remove the inlay very carefully, and we can see that it has successfully transferred itself onto the trinket dish. And now this is the inlay, and again you can use it multiple times on different designs. So I'm really happy. So I have used this design. There are a lot of designs you can in the video that I will link, you can see the design that you can make with these rainbow sheets. There are a lot of different designs. This is a bit of a crystal cut style, that black smoky effect on the background, and then the rainbow effect on the front. All in all, it is always so fun to create different inlays and working with these holographic sheets. So I will link everything in my description, including the discount code for the silicone if you like to treat yourself. So I'm really loving this silicone by Teexpert. It is on a low viscosity side, so you can make very delicate molds with this. So that is the final look, because it don't need anything. It is holographic. It's going to remain like this. So that's it for today, and I hope you like it. And if you did, please do let me know in comments, and like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.